The mango agroforestry for landscape restoration and biodiversity conservation was conceived in response to degradation around the Tamale National Park, which is a pristine park for Ghana. The causes of land degradation in this area is in three folds. The first one is cutting down trees for charcoal production. The second one is cutting down trees for firewood. And the third one is clearing of new areas for farming. So in our effort to restore the degradation, we conceived this project to use a cash crop mango, so that while the farmers are restoring the degraded areas, they will also be reaping some benefit from the cash crop. In the past, we've used economic trees to do restoration. Farmers are usually not interested because it takes too long for it to mature, and mostly those trees don't belong to the farmers by the government. But with this approach where we use cash crops, the farmers will enjoy the benefits from the cash crop, which is mango, and also get the land restored.
Mukatala lesedo amina. Ankabe do afufane afu onto adunyo. Kafana anye mango na yu. Anka yu amuna. I knew no way. Now put the mafana abin sur. I'm all country sur. I think it amuna about sur. I been chanyu to Lanyato farmu na nyibin via nyaj. Bakanyina amuketunu nana. Nanya fumale anyenye kama serbe and kinbumu never you so cool. In chanyu to
Makatra lesedu munaba. Anle adopuna. Anle adopwena bi do. I trate muli national parkana. Ne nka fara kado. Ben wuram mfie adunyo ale kabre. Ka fi an faram inye mango trees na andu mun doto. Ma wurta mata fana asuna abil tonasma akalir aka surna menyi amasrbi ashamuto nkenkenma nsintinkenma ayala. We feel that it is important to build the economic capacity of these community members that live very close to Tamale National Park. So one way of doing this is to provide them with economic activities. And so providing them with these mango seedlings, beneficiaries will start harvesting this mango fruit and make some alternative income to their traditional farming activities that they are involved in, whilst also fighting the issue of climate change, because these mango seedlings will grow and serve other environmental and ecological services to the people and the landscape.
The communities that we are working with are actually what we call fringe communities. Those are the communities surrounding the Tamale National Park. We are not doing the restoration inside the park. We are doing it in the communities. The reason is that the park needs to be protected. And the only way that we can protect the park is when we have what we call buffer zone. So it is this buffer zone that is the layer of forest around the park which is being degraded. If you don't stop this degradation, the next thing you will see that the degradation would have entered the national park, which is the biggest national park in the country and brings out a lot of tourists, a lot of foreign exchange into the country. This project wouldn't have been a success without the funding support from the French Embassy in Ghana. Actually, we've always planned and hoped to restore some of the degraded areas around the Tamale National Park, but funding was a very big challenge to us. So when this project came in, it came in handy, and without the funding from the French Embassy in Ghana, we wouldn't have been able to do all what we've achieved in this area.